are many different styles, structures, and we customized according to our customers' requirement. Because in the world, there are over almost 2,000 different items. So different items, the shapes, the size are different. And for making them, your workers have to weigh in cups by cups manually in previously. Now we have developed and designed such kind of weighing machine, weighing the friction material into small cups automatically by the machine. It can be dosed by cups and dosed by chase and also dosed by the manipulators. So it can remove all the workers that have done before.